Okay, so welcome back. And today we're going to do, in this video, we're going to do a couple of examples of converting from one unit of measurement to a smaller unit of measurement in the metric system. And so again, the biggest thing is, since this is a base 10 system, it makes it very easy to go from larger to smaller values and vice versa, as you'll see later. So in this case, we want to start with 43 decameters. So now, because the decimal point, again, is assumed to be right there, we want to put the decimal point right there on our chart, okay? And so we want to go from decameters to centimeters. So we want to go over here. So we want the decimal point to go from here to here. So that means we're going to move the decimal point 1, 2, 3 spots. And that means, remember, for every place value to the right that we move it, that's multiplying by 10. So that tells us we're multiplying by 3 tens. And so that means we're going to move, every time we move the decimal point to the right, we're going to multiply by 10. Okay? So if I do 43, well, 43 is that I'm going to move the decimal point over here. So this is what I'm dealing with, right? So this is the column that 3 is in the decameter place. The 4 is in the kilometer place. And so what happens is, when I move the decimal point 3 spots to the right, I have to add in the zeros. And so 43 decameters is the same as 43,000 centimeters. Okay. Now let's look at this one. So this is 2.5 decigrams. So again, pay attention to the decimal place. Okay. 2.5 decigrams. So 2.5 decigrams is right there. Okay, so if we have decigrams, and hold on, I got this metric, not grams. We're talking about decigrams, so it has to be here. Okay. So the decimal point is 2.5 decigrams. So again, we want the decimal point here since we're talking about decigrams. And so then this means we're going to have 2.5 decigrams. Okay? Now, so this is where we're starting. And we want to go to milligrams, which is right here. So how many place values do I need to move when I'm going from decigrams to milligrams? Well, that's going to be 2, right? So I'm going to have to go 1, 2 place values. So that means I'm going to multiply by 100, right? 10 squared. So that means I'm going to move over 1, 2 spots, fill in the missing place value with a 0. And so 2.5 decigrams is the same as 250 milligrams. Okay? And so that's how you do it. So again, we start by placing the decimal point after the place value of the new units. So we started here with decameter, and we started here with decigram, okay? And then you see how many spots to the right you need to move in order to get to the new measurement, the new unit of measurement. And then that's how many places you're going to move the decimal point to the right, and then you fill in with zeros if necessary. And that's it. Have a great day.